South Yorkshire Animal Centre is home to a wide range of animals, including dogs, cats, rabbits, horses, ponies and exotic birds. It receives animals from all over the Doncaster and Rotherham region, providing them with safe, clean, living environment while staff look to rehome them. The centre has 11 members of staff who provide care for the residents 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. But the centre receives no government funding, so is heavily reliant on donations and assistance from the general public. This is why your support is so crucial.
Hi, my name's Alex Jacobs-Hearn. I'm the receptionist at the South Yorkshire Animal Centre. People can help at the centre by volunteering to walk animals. We also ask for donations of blankets and bedding, which is much needed, newspapers, postage stamps, also mobile phones, which we can exchange, and financial contributions are also much needed and appreciated at the centre as well.
If you would like to adopt an animal, offer your time or make a donation, please call 01302 719 790. Thank you for your support.